Hey there, everyone. Pastor Padron here, and today I have a box of Black Bogie Twist from Gawith Hoggarth. I am excited about this because this is something that is new, at least new to the U.S., and Twins Pipe Club was asked to do some taste tests of several different blends for this tobacco. So I'm excited to see which one they actually ended up picking. So let me unbox this here. It's nice that it comes in a little box, and inside the box is a nice little tray that holds 500 grams, about a pound of the tobacco. And let's use the knife again here. Oh, it smells fantastic. I love the Black Twist, as you know, Black Irish X. The Bogie is just a thinner version of that. And what's inside is a bunch of little pieces like this. And this is made by twisting Virginia tobaccos into a machine. It takes several people to run it. And then when it comes through the other side, it's bound up and it's pressed and baked and steamed. And you get this beautiful dark Virginia tobacco here. Let's take some of this and cut some up and see what we've got in the pipe here. The way you prepare rope tobaccos like this is to cut it as thinly as you possibly can. You want to think more shavings than flakes. So cut it as thinly as you can. Just get a real sharp knife. Like that there. We'll go with that. Put you back in the box. And then just, rub it out. You want it to look about like that. Let's take the pipe here and load it up. Like all things Gawith Hoggarth, it is a bit damp, so we're going to pack it lightly. Let's put that onto there. There we go. That was about half a bowl's worth of tobacco. Wow! Shall we light her up? Very smoky, very rich, dark, creamy. It's got some beefy, bready notes to it. Some real strong black pepper in the retrohale. Plenty of nice smoke. Got kind of a burnt end kind of taste to it. You know, like those, if you're cooking steak tips on the grill, you get some real
Yes.
little bits that fall off that get a little bit overcooked. That's what it kind of tastes like, which is nice. The finish is almost like a deep Yorkshire pudding. It's got a very strong room note, very smooth. Gawith Hoggarth's Black Bogie Twist is very nice, dark, rich, full-bodied tobacco. It's very smooth, very creamy, dark, earthy, meaty, some real thick kind of bread notes to it. Like I said, I think Yorkshire pudding is a great way to describe the finish on this tobacco. There's some strong pepper notes in the retrohale. It is full-bodied and full-strength stuff. So beware if you're smoking this stuff on a light stomach, or if you don't like really dark, full-bodied things, then this is probably not for you. But if you like full-bodied tobacco and you like full-flavored things, and especially too for those of you who like that and are looking for something without Latakia that gets you those very strong flavors, the Black Bogie Twist is a great option for you. And I'm going to enjoy the rest of this bowl. Maybe you'll get yourself a bowl and let me know what you think too. I'd love to hear from you. This is Pastor Padron signing off. Have a great day.